Over a fortnight after surging waves of water swallowed Uttarakhand, rescue and evacuation operations are finally coming to an end. But as the state counts its loss, I'm told there are no words about several thousands who remain untraceable. Will someone spare a thought about the desperate pleas of their families? As curtains come down on India's biggest rescue and evacuation mission, glaring questions still remain. What about the fate of thousands who have gone missing in the flood-ravaged Uttarakhand? To make matters worse, there are conflicting reports on the number of those missing. While the United Nations claim over 11,000 people are untraceable, government reports say the figure is 3,500. It's been an unending wait for the kin of those who are missing. Endless trips to authorities have yielded no results.
We are standing here at the Jolly Grant Airport in Dehradun. Today being the last day of rescue operations, the authorities are claiming that they would have cleared the areas of Badrinath where about 300 to 400 people are still stranded. However, there are many people still here with pictures in their hands approaching us as they have no information whatsoever of their family members.
9 लोग मिसिंग हैं और हम लोग 10-12 दिन से ढूंढ रहे हैं। अभी तक कोई भी हमको डिटेल या कोई भी खबर नहीं पता चल पा रही है। दीदी जीजा लोग हैं, इन लोगों के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं हम लोगों को पता चल पा रहा है। हम लोग 9-10 दिन से ढूंढ रहे हैं, कोई भी पता नहीं चल पा रहा है। ये लोग कहाँ हैं, क्या पता नहीं कैसे पता चलेगा।
The nightmare is no different for families across India who continue to pray for their loved ones whose whereabouts are still not known.
हाँ, समय बहुत बीत चुका है। बस यही सबसे बड़ी बात है कि समय बहुत हो चुका है। आज 15 दिन हो चुके। वहाँ पर क्या कंडीशन है, खाना पीना कुछ मिल रहा है उन लोगों को कि नहीं मिल रहा है, कहाँ फंसे हुए हैं, कुछ भी पता नहीं चल पा रहा है।
दर्शन करके जब उतरे हम लोग तो बहुत तेज पानी बारिश हो रही थी, तो बारिश के कारण सब पिछड़ गए। लेकिन अब हम चाहते हैं कि वो कैसे तैसे मिल जाए रेणुका जाट जो है, और भगवान से दुआ चाहते हैं, कर रहे हैं कि यानी कि वो सही व्यवस्था में अपन को मिल जाए।
मम्मी पापा, मेरी बड़ी नंदोसी 3 भांजा, मम्मी पापा यहाँ से दिल्ली गए, उसके बाद दिल्ली से सब साथ में। अभी तक कोई जानकारी नहीं है, सिर्फ लास्ट बात हम लोग को 15 तारीख को हुई।
Government is relying on the FIRs filed by kin of missing people to arrive at the exact figure of those untraceable. A door-to-door survey is also being undertaken to find locals who are unaccounted for.
We are doing door-to-door survey, and in which missing numbers, of course, we are getting, and the missing numbers there seems to be a duplicacy because many these helplines we have to open, and those data are being collated. I guess another 2 days time we'll be able to tell exactly what is the missing number of people.
The army and rescue workers had earlier promised to continue evacuation till the last man is accounted for. But with each passing day, hope fades for the victims still missing. And now with the rescue mission winding up, the families of missing people stare at a bleak scenario.
So while the authorities are claiming that today is in fact the last day of rescue operations and they would have cleared out a majority of the areas in the upper reaches of Uttarakhand, there are still those roaming around with pictures of their loved ones with no information whatsoever. How will they ever find closure? Where are the answers? People are demanding answers from the government, but is the government of Uttarakhand really listening to them? With camera person Prashant Rai at Jolly Grant Airport, this is Rishika Barua for Headlines Today.